Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the PUMA Core Joggers, I believe they're called. Rhubarb colour in small. So yeah, it's like a burgundy rhubarb colour. Yeah. Okay, they're called logo pants. PUMA Core Joggers, so £15 they were. But they normally cost £30 I believe. Or 40, oh never mind, £45. So we got a very good bargain on that. And yeah, they look pretty good quality anyway. And Puma's a good brand. It's like a sportswear brand. I grew up with Puma actually. At least LSE or whatever it's called. Puma. What's the other one? There's another one that I used to. Champion. That was one I grew up with, which nobody liked back then, but now it's popular now. But yeah, it is what it is. Alright guys, let's open this. Okay, so it comes in a just standard packaging. So I got it in small, hopefully it fits me, because that's what I tend to stick to anyway, small. That's my size I believe. Okay, come on. Okay, so this color is actually very, oh wow, this color is very nice and fluttery. I like it. So you're seeing it as pink right now, like this top, this is pink, but on the camera it shows up as purple. This is more red, but on the camera it's showing up as pink. It's the same red as a Coca-Cola can, basically. Slightly more pink, slight pink I guess. There's a Coca-Cola can for comparison. Yes, it's about the same-ish, a bit more pinkier, but it's not fully pink like it's shown on the camera, so don't you worry about that. Okay, so this is a regular fit. Okay, oh wow, look how big these pockets are. I have to do the pocket test like we do in the other Nike video. I believe it was Nike. These, no, not these joggers. Oh no, it was Adidas, the pink ones. If you've not seen that, go check it out. Oh yeah, we got the tripod box by the way. If you not watched my last video, it was on the Mackenzie shirt or something. I don't know what it was. Yeah, these are £45. We're in small size, so that's okay. What is this? Can't even read that. If anyone can read, let me know. Alright, this feels very soft. This rubber, you can feel it. It's like a cool texture. I like it. It's like a rubbery texture. So hopefully it won't wash out like most of the pants off, but it might start peeling off after a while. Oh yeah, there's a bit of cracks already in it, so I don't know. Only time will tell, I guess. But my nice London ones and stuff, they fully come off. But yeah, hopefully this will hold up well. So yeah, these are the joggers. Let me just get a nice thumbnail for you guys. I guess this might be the thumbnail, hopefully. I don't know. Depends how good this looks. What do you think, guys? Alright, I'm gonna put the phone in the camera now. In the tripod, I mean, and then we'll go ahead and do it there. So yeah, give me 1 second. Guys, all I can say is these are the most softest, comfiest joggers I've worn in my life. These are very, very soft. Oh my gosh. For £15 this is a bargain. For £45 this is alright price. So yeah, I'm gonna go over there so you can have a look. Don't know if I should lower the camera or higher it. Hopefully you can see it. Don't know how well you can see that. So yeah, let me move up a bit so you can might be able to, I don't know. Hopefully it fits on the screen. I can't tell. But yeah, this is the back. This is the front. I'll go back a bit if you can't see it. I don't know, I'm not sure. Wow, these are very soft. Like I could put my hands in the pocket all day. Just leave it there. That's how soft they are. Wow. Honestly, I can't express how soft these are. You need to try these out in a store somewhere. Probably JD. Because that's where these are from. But yeah, the pockets are quite small though. They're not that big. I was expecting them to be a bit bigger, but it's not that bad. Let's see if I can fit my other phone in there. Okay, let's see. How big is it in my phone? Oh yeah, like this Note 8 is a bit bigger, this phone that I'm recording with now, so this just about fits. So I don't know, these pockets are a bit small, but it's okay. Yeah, I highly recommend these pants. They are beautiful, guys. They're amazing. Definitely worth it, just for the softness, how comfortable they are. So yeah, if you can get them at a good price, go for it guys. Alright, check out my next video guys. I'm going to be doing the Puma jacket, I think, or hoodie or whatever it is, jumper.